Hello everybody. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a decent screen capture on Windows 7 and Windows 8 completely for free. This is one of the great tools that's already pre-built into Windows 7 and 8, and all you really need to do is know where to find it. So this is a Windows 8 machine. Windows 7 works very similar to this because it's the same tool. As you can see on the bottom of my screen here, I have an icon, and this is the screen capture icon. But if you don't have it, I will show you where to get it from. So basically on Windows 8, we're going to hit the button here at the bottom on the left that will open up the icons. And you basically just need to hit the search and type in snipping tool. Okay, and this will come up here. That'll automatically pull it up. And this is the snipping tool icon. Now, it already has a couple of features that's pretty cool built into it as well. But let's start with doing new. And if you notice, the screen turned a little whitewashed. So what we can now do is we can bring in or drag over the area we want to screen capture. So if I want to screen capture this area here, I'll basically drag over. Once I let go my mouse, then it grabs a screen capture. Now, before you save it to your desktop, you can also do some little editing on it or highlighting per se. So I can actually circle the word how if I want to using this pen. I can use a blue pen. And then I can also erase the blue or the red. And this pen here is a highlighter, so I can highlight certain areas. So I can highlight this. I can use the red pen here to underline this, and then I can just basically hit save. So with that, I can save snippet. It'll ask me where I want to put it. I'll put it on my desktop, and I'll put screen test. And I'll save it there, and the icon will then show up on the screen of my desktop where I can now use it to I'll show you where it is by closing these out, and this is the icon there. If I double click on it, it opens up in my photo viewer, so I can now see it. You can email this, and it's a great way to do a screen capture very quickly. So once again, if I wanted to, and this is where it becomes very useful, if you want to grab something off maybe the internet, like I'm missing my logo here, I can then bring up my screen capture tool, hit brand new, and I can then highlight this area here, and I can do file, save as, and you have the option also by looking at the bottom here, the option to save as a GIF or a JPEG or a PNG, three of the most common formats that are actually used on the internet quite often, or emailed or saved for images. And by saving it in one of the PNG or JPEG formats, you can then save a pretty decent quality picture, just as if as good as it comes off the screen itself. And that is basically the tutorial on how to do a decent screen captures on Windows 7 and 8 for free. Now, in Windows 7, basically you can just go to the Start button, and in the search box, start typing snipping, and it'll fill in the snipping tool, and you'll be able to pull that up as well. And that's how to do a decent screen capture. Thanks.